The edge trim is a crucial component in achieving a clean and level slab finish. Here we've manufactured the edge trim to match the predefined slab depth, ensuring it sits neatly on top of the blockwork supports. This allows a finished slab to seamlessly meet the lip of the kitchen and living room floor level in this particular example. To maintain structural integrity and continuous profile, the operative carefully scores the edge trim before bending it at the corners. This technique prevents breaks in the profile, ensuring a uniform and secure fit. Before the metal deck is spread and fixed down, the edge trim is fixed to suit where the slab edge should finish, providing a solid guide for the concrete pour level. By securing it with the specialist nails, we ensure it stays in place during the slab's construction, preventing any movement or misalignment. With the edge in place, the metal deck panels are laid out, interlocking side by side to form a strong and stable base. This interlocking system enhances the structural performance of the floor while speeding up installation. Each panel is fixed securely using high-strength fasteners, ensuring there's no lateral vertical movement. Specialised nails are used to fasten the deck to the blockwork supports, providing a firm and reliable connection. This method not only enhances the deck's load-bearing capacity, but also streamlines the installation process, saving both time and labour costs. By combining precision engineering with efficient installation techniques, we create a structurally sound and cost-effective floor solution ready for the next phase of construction, the mesh and concrete followed by the patio slabs to finish. Fast, efficient, reduce digging out debris, reduce traffic back and forth to site. Contact us with your plans and we'll quote you on what you need.